Introducing version 1.8.9 of Closed Caption Creator. In this new release, we've introduced new editor options to give users even more control over the behavior of certain functions in Closed Caption Creator. Automatically insert timecodes along with events, add line breaks, and even specify frame gaps when performing tasks such as caption spotting or queuing. The transcript import dashboard has been updated to show the estimated remaining time for jobs that are in progress. It also calculates the total job duration to make it easier to track how long certain providers take when transcribing audio. Update the caption style of multiple events using the Caption Styles option found under the Format menu. The Keyboard Shortcuts menu has been updated to include a number of new options for features such as inserting surround music notes and jumping to the start and end of events. The latest release of Closed Caption Creator is now available by visiting www.closedcaptioncreator.com. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team by emailing support@closedcaptioncreator.com.